guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well and keeping safe. If you're new here, my name is Harshika. I live and work in Toronto and create content about my life in Canada, fashion and beauty. So, today's vlog is very interesting because I'm going to try something that I've never ever tried in my life before. That is lash lift. So I had been contemplating to get a lash lift for a very long time. I had been talking to my colleagues at office, like asking them how it is, what's their experience and stuff. And I just never got to the part where I actually wanted to get it. And I was doing my research on my own, and then I got to know that it costs about $80 to $90 for just your natural lash lift, and that does not include getting extensions. And I was like, fuck no, I'm not going to pay that much. $80 for a lash lift. ब्रो मैं अपना आई लैश कर्लर लेकर खुद अपनी आई लैशेस कर्ल कर लूंगी, बट इतने पैसे मैं देने नहीं वाली किसी को सिर्फ मेरी आंखें नहीं, मेरी आई लैशेस कर्ल करने के लिए. सो नो, आई एम नॉट गोना डू दैट. बट देन, मी बीइंग मी, typical Harshika, I thought, why not do it yourself? So I ordered a lash lift kit from Amazon. This one is from Cleon Prime. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but this is made in Korea. कोरियन स्किन केयर आजकल बहुत ही ज़्यादा वायरल हो रहा है. एवरीवन इज गोइंग आफ्टर कोरियन स्किन केयर. सो आई वाज लाइक, ले लेते हैं. कोरिया, मेड इन कोरिया लिखा है तो अच्छा ही होगा, बट आई डोंट नो व्हाट्स गोइंग टू हैपन बिकॉज I've never got it done professionally, and for me, if I have done anything professionally, उसके बाद I can try to do it on my own. Like, I tried doing my nails on my own. I do most of my beauty routines on my own, like waxing or facial hair removal and everything. I do that on my own. मैं सीख गई पिछले 4 साल में यहाँ पे रहते हुए मैं सीख गई. Because fucking no, I'm not gonna pay $40 to get my eyebrows done unless I'm going to India, क्योंकि वहाँ पे जाकर तो मैं आराम से कुछ भी सर्विस करा सकती हूँ. मैंने थोड़ी पैसे देने, मेरे मम्मा पापा ने पैसे देने हैं. Anyways, so I was researching on this thing and I was like, let's try it because $80 मैं खर्च करने नहीं वाली. And this is the thing that I actually wanted to try for a very long time because मेरे lashes, although they are not too straight, but still they're a little straight and then a little bit curly on the end, which I thought कि कुछ solution निकाला जा सकता है इस चीज़ का. I went on Amazon. I got a kit that was like, this is $25, so that's not too much. And I went on Amazon, मैंने reviews देखे, I saw people doing it, I saw girls doing it, and उनके eyelashes were actually looking good. Now I don't know if this is gonna suit me or not, but I'm still gonna try it. It's a pretty guided kit because obviously बताओगे नहीं तो फिर कैसे हो पाएगा, है ना? तो there is a lot of stuff in this. Like the first thing that I see, okay, इसको मैं side कर देती हूँ. This is the whole kit. You get perm lotion and setting lotion. This is like single use वाले 5 sachets each. I think the multi total care lash and eye care cream, I think this should be the last step. Nice. And these are the under eye patches that you need to put on. This is the lash glue, and this is a whole other kit with applicators and stuff to put my hair out of my face first. आज मैंने कोई makeup नहीं किया because of course when you're doing these things you need to have no makeup on. Like, I'm not that kind of influencer. Actually, I'm not even an influencer right now. Even though a lot of people reach out to me कि ये product आपने कहाँ से लिया, वो product आपने कहाँ से लिया. I do give that guidance, but I don't think so I influence anyone into, you know, ये करो, ऐसे करो. मेरे अंदर वो factor है ही नहीं वो factor मेरे अंदर. Anyways, so yeah, I'm not the kind of person who will make videos makeup करके. नहीं हो पाता भाई. मे बी आगे जाके कभी ये चीज़ चेंज हो जाए, बट अभी के लिए मैं ऐसे ही ठीक हूँ. I'm gonna wear my रद्दी सा बैंड जो मेरे पास पिछले 3 साल से पड़ा है. Okay, here. Just for reference, this is what my eyelashes look like right now. Like, take this as a before image. The kind of person who would try everything in my life at least once, कि experience होना चाहिए. And this is what I've learned from my mother. And in the morning when I was telling her that I'm gonna do this, she was like, don't do it. But this Mama, I'm so sorry to disappoint you here. I'm so sorry. So the step 1 is cleanse lashes with a lash lift primer or cleaning solution for optimal adhesion. Okay, so I don't have a lash lift primer, so I'd rather take a cleaning solution for optimal adhesion. Can we do that? Can I use like micellar water for it? क्या करें? चैट जीपीटी करते हैं. रुक, फ़ोन पे रिकॉर्डिंग चल रही है तो इसलिए आईपैड आया है हाथ में, वरना ये मत सोचना कि मैं अपना शो ऑफ करने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ. कैन आई यूज़ micellar water to clean my eyelashes before doing lash lift? Let's see. Like, it is a chemical solution, so still we need to make sure that eyelashes एकदम clean है. Yes, you can use micellar water to clean your eyelashes, but there are a couple of important points.
Use oil free. Rinse afterwards. Even okay. Oil can be okay. Rinse as water. Rinse as water. तुम पानी से ना लो.
कुछ स्किन केयर नहीं होना चाहिए, मस्कारा, मेकअप, सनस्क्रीन, नथिंग. मेरे फेस पे कुछ भी नहीं है, तो मैं ऐसा करती हूँ, मैं अपना पूरा मुंह ही धो लेती हूँ. यही करना पड़ेगा, ऐसे ही करना पड़ेगा. और चैट जीपीटी साथ में रखना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि मेरे को पता नहीं है भाई, मैं पहली बार कर रही हूँ. मैंने किसी आंटी को करते हुए देखा होता ना मेरे ऊपर, तो आई वुड हैव डेफिनेटली गॉटन, आई वुड हैव इट रिगार्डलेस. ऐसे कर लेती, ऐसे ऐसे ऐसे, बट नो, जब मैं ऐसे ऐसे करने की कोशिश करती हूँ तो मेरी आईब्रोज उड़ जाती है. तभी आजकल मैं आईब्रो जेल भी लगा रही हूँ. एनीवेज लेट्स नॉट गेट इनटू इट. आई एम गोना वॉश माय फेस. सो अनएस्थेटिक चीज एस्थेटिक है. ओके, मैं घर के तौलिए से अपना मुंह साफ नहीं कर रही. आई हैव दीज बैम्बू वाले, I have bamboo paper towels to clean my face after like washing my face. क्या बोले जा रही हूँ भाई, क्या बोले जा रही हूँ. And I'm realizing this is after a very long time that I'm doing a English vlog. I usually do a English vlog because in terms of like what do you say, tutorials and stuff, I feel like I have some Canadian audience as well. I'm assuming it because I have some friends who are not Hindi speakers, so I need to do my vlogs in English. Today I feel like थोड़ा सा बकचोदी वाला मूड तो है, तो ये कर लेते हैं. Okay, my eyelashes are completely dry, which is a good thing. That was the first step. अपना eyelash curler भी साफ कर ही लेती हूँ. वैसे तो कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ने वाला, but should I use a micellar water for this? Yes. देखते हो, बोतल, जो प्रोडक्ट जिस चीज़ में आया उसमें से निकाल कर मैं उसको अलग बोतल के अंदर डाल देती हूँ और फिर खुद को बोलती हूँ मैं एस्थेटिक हूँ. अच्छा लगता है ऐसे सोचिए. ये मैं मिcellar वाटर से इसलिए क्लीन कर रही हूँ because there's a lot of makeup product on here and I don't want to get into that, but I'm still gonna use the cleaner side of my tissue, put some water on it and clean it properly. So I'm gonna curl my eyelashes now. I'm scared to death about this because I have no freaking idea what I'm gonna do. Pray for me, don't get scared. So I've curled my eyelashes. This is what my eyelashes look like and they look like. Okay, let's see what the next step is. So place under eye patch on the lower lids to shield your skin from lotions. So I'm gonna take the first one right here. ये नहीं खुलने वाला, इतने लंबे नाखून करा रखे हैं ना. For fuck's sake, bro, खुल जा. God Almighty, मेरे को लगता है हम इसी स्टेप पे इरिटेट हो जाएंगे. And I get overstimulated real quick. I'm gonna put it under our eye. I need a close-up mirror, so quite close enough. And इतना काफी है. पानी पानी जैसा है. मैं इरिटेट तो नहीं हो जाऊंगी ज़्यादा, ऊपर तो नहीं लगा लिया मैंने. These are the conversations that I have when I'm sitting at home alone, okay? Like my mom and dad say कि तेरे को घर की याद आती है तो अकेला फील करती होगी. अरे भाई, अकेला फील नहीं करती, आपकी बेटी पागल है, खुद से बातें मार लेती है. So I had to change my top because I spilled coffee on it and yeah, इससे ज़्यादा clumsy मैं हो नहीं सकती. So I'm just putting on my patch on one eye because obviously अगर ये आँख पे मैंने start कर दिया तो मैं दोनों आँख बंद करके तो कर नहीं सकती. तो I'm just gonna do one eye first and then I'm gonna move on to the other one. तो ये हो चुका है. Next step is to okay, choose a silicone pad and okay, उस पे glue लगाना है. So it says that The larger the silicone pad that you have to put on your eyelid, the softer your curls will be. I'm thinking of going in with a medium. So this is yellow one is small, this is medium and this is large. And मैं ज़्यादा soft curls भी नहीं चाहती and I don't want a huge lift. This is what it looks like. And we have to apply glue on this. So I just need one at a time. And this is the lash glue. So we are gonna take this. Guys, I'm doing this for the first time. I have no idea कि क्या होने वाला है मेरे साथ आज. But hopefully जो होगा अच्छा होगा. तो गिराई ना दूँ यार. So मैंने बहुत सारा लगा दिया है. And we have to wait for about 40 seconds for this to dry. And then we place it on the eyelid and hold it for a minute in its position. Here we are. We're gonna put this on our eyelid. I'm gonna put this on my eyelid. Like this. It says a minute, but अगर glue अच्छे से उस पे लग चुकी है, then hopefully it won't move that much. Wait 40 seconds. Using the lifting brush. What is the lifting brush? I don't know what's the Oh, lifting brush is this. Bro, मैं अपनी आँख ना खोल लूँ चीज़ें देखने के चक्कर में. So this is the lifting brush. And अब इसके ऊपर हम glue लगाएंगे. And then we'll use the lifting applicator to push my eyelashes on the top. So again, लगाकर 40 seconds wait करना है. I'll prepare for the next step as well, which is using a new applicator, a cotton swab, apply perm lotion 1 onto your lashes. Okay, so these are the lotions. इसमें जो perm lotion 1 है, we have to put on our lashes, but before that, we have to push our eyelashes up. Guys, मैं अंधी हो गई मुझसे. Like this. But now I'm gonna use this brush attachment of the lifter and push my eyelashes to the top. I had to make sure कि एक भी eyelash मेरा overlap नहीं करा before I'm putting it on the glue silicone pad. So I'm just trying my best कि जितना अच्छे से हो सके मैं कर सकूं. In this little ring here. बहुत थोड़ा सा निकाला है मैंने. And we have to leave it for about 9 to 10 minutes. I'm just gonna leave it for about 10 minutes. This is the cotton swab. Just gonna leave it for about 10 minutes. Alarm लगा लेते हैं. It's been about 11 minutes. I left it for a few minutes longer, a minute longer, and I'm gonna take this cotton swab and remove this. Guys, don't look at me. I look like I was beaten to shit. So cleaning. So ये हो चुका है. Now the next step is to take the set lotion. This is the step 2, and we have to put it on the lashes for about and leave it for about 8 minutes. I think. एक step miss कर दिया. I think now I'm realizing this thing you have to put on your eye after putting on the perm lotion, but that's fine. It's okay. We are learning, so that's fine. I'm gonna take a new cotton swab here. Take some on the swab. कहाँ से खुला भाई? यहाँ से खुला है. This is my first time, so I'm giving myself extra brownie points. Now I'm gonna take this. You could say a patch. Perm patch. That's what they call it. I'm gonna put it on my lashes, so that it does not move, and another 8 minutes and we're gonna take this off. So new cotton swab. Actually, कहाँ गए मेरे cotton swabs? हे भगवान. मैं अंदर गई ढूंढने के लिए और मुझे ऐसे लग रहा है मैं इधर ही रख के गई हूँ. ये the fuck. Okay, so I'm gonna remove this thing. भाई मेरे लैशेज ही इसके साथ बाहर ना आ जाए. थोड़े थोड़े हिल गए. बट आई हैव टू रिमूव द सेटिंग लोशन नाउ. ये क्या लगा है? जस्ट होप कि कुछ बहुत ही घटिया सा ना हो गया हो कि मैं एकदम ही अजीब सी लगूँ. सो दिस इज़ द मल्टी केयर लोशन एंड पुट इट ऑन आवर लैशेज. बहुत ज़्यादा तो नहीं कर्ल हो गया होगा? आई एम जस्ट स्कैर्ड अबाउट दैट. मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा कर्ली कर्ली नहीं चाहिए, बहुत ही गंदी लगूंगी, बहुत ज़्यादा. I don't know that much, but still. Okay, so 1 मिनट के लिए इसको छोड़ते हैं. A few seconds. It's gonna be the truth. पता लगेगा कि मैंने अपना कटवाया है या कुछ काम हुआ भी है मेरा कि नहीं. I'm just gonna use the same cotton swab में थोड़ा सा इसको और थोड़ा मसाज सा कर लेते हैं कि हे भगवान कुछ उलट पुलट ना हुआ हो. Out of 10, it turns out to be like a 7 or a 6 because this is the first time that I'm doing it. I've never seen anyone else do it on me. And like I said, मेरे को पता होता कि सब steps कैसे करने हैं and everything, I would have done it on my own without anything. ऐसा time लगता है to learn things. Like when I started doing my eyebrows like 4 years ago, of course there was a lot of hit and trial. I missed a lot of points. मैं बहुत बार fuck up कर देती थी अपने eyebrows को. And every girl knows that fucking up your eyebrows is like the ultimate thing that will make you die. But after a few trial and errors, I actually mastered it. And I was so glad because when I went back home, तो मेरी पार्लर वाली दीदी ने मुझे कहा था कि तुम अपनी आईब्रोज खुद करती हो क्या? तो मैं कि वहाँ पे किसी से करवाती हो? तो मैंने कहा नहीं, मैं खुद करती हूँ. तो कहती वाह. मैंने कहा कहती अंदाजे से हो जाता है. मैंने कहा अंदाजा लगा लेती हूँ, हो जाता है. तो कहती अंदाजा तुम्हारा बहुत अच्छा है. पार्लर वाली दीदी अगर तारीफ कर दे कि भाई तुमने कोई काम अच्छे से कर लिया है, तो तुम सोचो कि तुम कहाँ से कहाँ पहुंच चुके हो. ठीक है, इन विमेन यूनिवर्स दैट इज द मोस्ट अल्टीमेट कॉम्प्लीमेंट यू कैन गेट फ्रॉम ए पार्लर वाली दीदी. अदरवाइज वो तो यही बोलती है दीदी किसी और के पास जाकर करवाया था क्या? बट नो. सो बड़बड़ करते हुए 1 मिनट हो चुका है. आई एम गोना टेक द क्लीन कॉटन स्वॉब नाउ एंड रिमूव द लोशन. एंड वो रिमूव करने के बाद आई विल टेक आउट द सिलिकॉन पैड. So I'll be fine even if it turns out to be a 6 or a 7 because I'm doing it on my own for the first time, and after a few tries, because I have a lot to try on, and after a few tries I know that I'll be able to master it, so that's fine. I'm gonna take this off. पता नहीं कैसे निकालना है. And oh my god, I have not done anything. I have not done anything. मैंने सिर्फ पानी से अपनी आंखें धोई हैं and I use this brush to brush my eyelashes, and this is the difference. This is the before and this is the after. Look at the lift on my lashes. This looks so good, so good. Like मेरी आंखें ऐसे लग रहा है चौंधिया चुकी हैं and it is so nice. Again I said कि थोड़ा सा, of course I'm giving this a 7 because this was my first attempt, but even for a first attempt this looks so good, so good. I really love this. I'm gonna keep on doing this until I don't know when, and it looks very nice. अब मेरे को थोड़ी सी एक आंख पे प्रैक्टिस हो गई, तो आई एम गोना डू इट ऑन माई नेक्स्ट आई एंड होपफुली वहाँ पे. आई थिंक दी ओनली प्रॉब्लम वॉज when I put on my silicone pad and I had to put my lashes, like stick my lashes to the top. मैंने उनको थोड़ा overlapping ठीक नहीं करा, like overlapping मैंने ठीक नहीं करी थी, इसलिए there is a little bit of overlapping in the middle, but that's fine. It's not that visible. दूर से देखने पे ऐसे नहीं लग रहा है कि भाई एकदम ही भयंकर कुछ कर दिया है मैंने अपनी आंखों के साथ. It's gonna last about 8 weeks, so देखते कि 8 हफ्ते तक ऐसे रहता है कि नहीं. But this looks so good यार, मतलब बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लग रहा है. I'll finish my second eye and I'm not going to show what I'm doing there because we have gone through the steps already, but I'm going to do it and I'm going to show you the final results. Guys, my second eye is also done. Look at this, how beautiful my eyelashes look. Like my eyes now look a little bigger, which, oh my god, I'm so happy and I'm so glad that I did it. For now, मुझे कोई इरिटेशन नहीं हो रही है अपनी आईज में. आई डोंट हैव एनी इरिटेशन और एनीथिंग. आई जस्ट वॉश्ड माई फेस विद नॉर्मल वाटर एंड I just can't stop looking at myself in the mirror. It looks so nice. I mean, the lift is very good. This was something that I was looking for, not too heavy. This was the eye that I did off camera, so you can see the difference because यहाँ पर करते करते मुझे practice हो गई थी. This was the first time that I did, but overall it is not looking bad for both of them, but I know once this wears off and I'm gonna do it again, the dono eyes, they're gonna look really good. So I'm really glad that I took the step and I saved myself a lot of dollars. This looks really, really nice, and I don't know, I'm just happy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, do give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel because that is how I know that you're liking my videos and you're watching. Share this video with your friends who are looking to get eyelash lift. And hopefully this is helpful if you're trying to do this at home. It works as a tutorial for you guys. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye.